spaghetti, and I don't have no spaghetti sauce. I'm missing a few ingredients, so I gotta go to my nearest grocery store or gas station to go get these ingredients. But before we get there, we're gonna go to our nearest park and go take a quick little break. We're outside today on the Evolve GTR. We at 70%. To my nearest gas station, and I'm trying to find these ingredients. I don't know. All I see is a bunch of junk food. I need tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce. I need creamer because I want to drink some coffee too. I don't know. I think I'm in all the wrong departments. I think I got my ingredients. I think I'm ready to go now. And then, yeah, I think I need some half and half too. We got all the ingredients. We ready to go now. Guys, so I got all my ingredients. I made it. And now I'm on my way back. We running it. We at 64% on the Evolve GTI. And we running it. We in traffic right now. We in traffic, guys. Got the goods, yo. You guys ready? When the light turns green, I'm gonna gun it. Damn, battery's dying. That was weak. That was a weak takeoff. Anyways, guys, stay tuned, like and subscribe as it grows. We'll be back tomorrow on the next adventure.